As you see, it's a bit oily there. It's actually a little pilot line there that's burst was rubbing against this steel there. See the joysticks here. So we'll take this plastic apart to get at the actual pipes, and then I'll take this seat and seat base off then. So we'll lift that off. We can actually get to a spool valve and get to the other side here. So this is a servo joystick, and it basically works like a small spool valve, which works off a lower pressure than the rest of the actual system in the machine. We've done this so we don't have any like high pressure lines or linkages in the cab with you. So it sends the oil into the actual main spool valve itself, which works for high pressure oil, and it's it's basically like a master and slave cylinder you have on a clutch or car then. It was actually a bigger pipe that went there and into the middle of it. So it's probably one of like a feed into this one. When you put pressure on it, well, when you put strain on it, then it squirted out here instead of going down the pipe really. So put some baler twine, tied that in, and pulled it through. You see the baler twine's gone through, well, basically where it's supposed to go then, down through this plastic cover and all. So I can tie that again to a new one and pull it back up through, this cover and all. Instead of borrowing again, I've bought myself a cheap one of the same make and all. Just reads and deletes the codes. So go back. So diagnose. Okay. So we've got the diagnostic menu, so we can read codes. Here, where the code for. I know it's the same for, I had 4 before. So go back. Race codes. So I've just put it back tidy in its case. Only thing with this, it doesn't actually tell you what the actual error codes are. You have to look up the number yourself. But it did delete the codes off it, and they've stayed off. So it's probably sorted now. But the actual limp mode itself won't go off. So I'll have to, I'm a bit beat by that then. So it's the actual limp mode itself that's beat me now. Even though it's not showing any codes, it's still on.